Wood furniture always give you feel like you are attached with nature and adds the charm, elegance, and sophistication of a space. Its warmth and aspirational appeal enable it to speak to multiple generations. Adding a pleasant environment at your space can be very appealing to your space visitors. More chances your visitors convert as a clients. Initially when you go with wooden furniture, maybe cost of wooden furniture disturb you, but keep the fact in your mind that wooden furniture very durable compared than other material. And in the future this will return your cost. Small changes to the home can make huge differences to your comfort, mood, and even health. This is because your home is where you spend a large part of your time, so the environment will play a large impact on your life. If you are thinking of making improvements or upgrades in your home, then a foolproof way to do that is by making or buying new furniture. There are several wood decorative pieces you can make and use. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Wood furniture affects the mood of people positively, resonates with them emotionally and psychologically. In the office, a happy and satisfied employee tends to be more productive than a non-satisfied one. It is also beneficial for their health, as the warm and positive environment of office also reduce stress level of employee. Furniture is used to support human activities. All interior designers use old or new, custom furniture and ready-made furniture. Before making and crafting any furniture, you always keep customer comfort in mind. The function of furniture determines for which purpose the furniture should be used, like sleeping, beds, eating, tables, or seating, chairs. And also the same thing applies with the function of space, and what you want to do. Before interior designing, you always check how space will be used and what types of activity is going to take place. The function allows to decide which furniture and furnishings are necessary for the use in mind. A piece of furniture matters the most when a design is implemented, as furniture brings function to space. Functionality and furniture work together in the space planning phase of interior design. As it could be clearly understood from the name, space planning is the allocation and division of interior space for a client's needs and activities. Furniture role is always essential in any space planning. Space planning also involves movement flow. Movement flow refers to leaving enough space for users to flow. For the best utilization of space, furniture is placed to allow free movement. That's the reason, furniture role in any space is a functional and circulatory element in any interior design. Traditional furniture is classic. And by definition, a classic furniture doesn't age. Whatever trends crop up within interior design over the years to come, traditional furniture is guaranteed to remain a popular choice amongst designers, business owners, and customers alike. When choosing your furniture, you could play around with the color scheme, but also there are numerous designs available, each providing its own individual theme. Use this chance to get creative by mixing and matching various pieces to create a unique look that truly reflects your business persona. And because of the various options you have available to customize your furniture, wooden furniture pieces will allow you to achieve any desired look or suit an already established design, perfect whether you're starting a business from scratch or just fancy a revamp of your current look. Getting new furniture is an easy way to change up the theme or style of your interior design. For example, choosing antique, rustic, or modern furniture will enhance a certain style or interior design theme. If you are constantly feeling bored of the same old environment, then a change of atmosphere is what you need. Buying new furniture is the perfect way to give the place a new face. You can completely reinvent a certain room, or the entire house, in a new ambience and style. Furniture shopping can be a fun activity to shake up your daily routine. It gives you the chance to explore and to take control of your home's interior design. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.